Introduction. Welcome to TechNTuts. In today's video, we'll be diving into how to access the CLI, command line interface, version of CentOS 9. If you've already installed CentOS 9 with a GUI, you can easily access it via SSH using your local Windows machine. Let's get started. Accessing CLI version of CentOS 9. Step 1. Get the IP address from CentOS-9 Machine. First, open your CentOS-9 Machine. In the terminal, type ifconfig and press enter. This command will display the IP address of your CentOS-9 machine. For example, my CentOS 9 computer's IP address is 192.168.241.53. Step 2. SSH into CentOS 9 from Windows machine. Now, switch to your host computer, which is your local Windows machine. Open the command prompt by typing cmd in the search bar and pressing enter. In the command prompt, type the following command: ssh your username at 192.168.241.53. Replace your username with your actual username on the CentOS 9 machine. This command establishes an SSH connection from your Windows machine to your CentOS 9 server. Step 3. Check CentOS 9 Directory. Once you're connected, you can explore the directories on your CentOS 9 server. For instance, type ls to list the files and directories in your current location. This will help you navigate through the file system. Step 4. Create a file in CentOS 9 Directory. For testing purposes, let's create a file named test.txt inside the Documents directory. Navigate to the Documents directory by typing cd documents. Then, create the file by typing touchtest.txt. You can confirm the file's creation by typing ls to list the contents of the Documents directory. Precautions. Before we conclude, here are some precautions to keep in mind. Security. Ensure your SSH connection is secure by using strong passwords and considering SSH key authentication. Backups. Regularly backup important data on your CentOS 9 server to prevent data loss. Permissions. Be cautious with file and directory permissions to avoid unauthorized access or accidental deletions. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the CLI version of CentOS 9 from your Windows machine using SSH. This method is powerful for managing your server remotely. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to TechNTuts for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.